Hey guys, welcome back to my channel where the makeup and sass keeps you coming back for more. Today's video is a really exciting one. We're going to be reviewing the PatrickStarrr with MAC Cosmetics collection. Now, I only got 2 items from this collection because those were the only 2 items that, you know, interested me. I got Patrick's powder, which I am very excited about, and I also got the lipstick in the shade Mama Star. So I'm going to tell you guys what I think about these 2 products here and give you my first impressions on the products overall. So stay tuned if you want to see what I have to say. So as you guys can see, I already have my eyes done. That's because I'm also in the process of filming another video at the same time. But we're gonna move on to Patrick's powder first. I'm super excited about this product. As you can see, I have not opened it because Patrick taught me how to bake my face, and I have been doing his method of baking all over ever since. I have already primed my face and stuff. I'm going to set my primer with this powder as well, use it on top of our concealer, and then use it to set my whole face at the end of, you know, all of this. And you know, I really want to test this product as much as possible so I can give you guys the fairest review on it. I do really like this packaging. It comes in this really nice matte packaging and whatnot, in this nice shiny silver top, and it has PatrickStarrxMAC. It's very cute and chic. Sorry if I keep looking over there. I'm just looking at my viewfinder, trying to figure out if things are looking right, and if my lighting is off, sorry, I'm working on that. So we're just gonna open this right on up, and when I do, it looks like this. The lighting is way too bright and you guys are not gonna be able to see it, but it has a little sticker inside. So I'm just gonna like pull that out so I can shake some out so we can start doing our face. It does have a bit of a pink tint to it. I'm not even going to attempt to show you guys this because, yeah, you're just not gonna be able to see it, but it is quite pink and it's very finely milled, like from what I can feel. So I'm just gonna go ahead and dump some out here. I've seen people take out the little like sifter thing that's in there, but I don't like to do that because my powders just get everywhere. So I'm just gonna, you know, shake. I'm just gonna use a damp beauty blender and just put this all over my face as I normally would. I must say, upon this initial application of just putting it like on my bare skin that only has like moisturizer and primer and stuff, that this feels great. Fear not for the white cast that is on my face right now. I did use my Hourglass primer and that does leave a bit of a cast, and now I just put a white powder or pink powder, but it's okay, it's all gonna be good. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, we're gonna fix that. For my foundation today, I'm just gonna go ahead and use my Fenty foundation. I'm gonna quickly speed through this process. We're gonna do our concealer as well, you know, fast forward through that so we can get to the real goods, which is the powder, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so my concealer has been blended out. I did use my Tarte Shape Tape today for that purpose. I'm gonna go ahead, take Patrick's powder, put it under my eyes. And now I'm just going to bake the rest of my face. I will say that I am obviously very scared of this because it's like not my skin tone, but I trust that Patrick did not do me wrong, and he is a man of color, so I hope that this is people of color friendly, which I think it is. I haven't seen too many reviews about this just because I wanted to keep my own, you know, humble opinion about the whole thing in general, but so far so good. Like, it is really, really good. Like, it feels so lightweight, it's unreal. I'm just adding some more under my eyes because this is my problem area, so I'm adding more around like the center of my face. But okay, so I'll tell you guys one thing. So when the product comes out of the container, I feel like it comes out really, really grainy. But like, I don't know, or maybe that's just like the one I have, or maybe mine isn't shaken well enough or something and it clumped up. But it's coming out really, really grainy. And then once you put it on your face though, it just like melts into your skin. And I'm like, I don't know what that is, but I mean, I like it. And because at first I was like, wait a minute, this looks, it felt really fine. But then as I poured out more to do my face, I was like, ooh, this is kind of grainy or something, but it's actually fine. Obviously it looks very, very good. I don't know if my lights are overexposing me right now, so I'm going to try to move back, but I'm going to dust off all the product that we have on our face right now. Okay guys, so I finished the rest of my face, obviously finished my eyes because I'm also reviewing the Jackie Aina collaboration with Artist Couture. Got this highlighter going on. Go check out that video as well if you want to see my full thoughts and opinion and everything that went down with that product as well. But let's wrap up our PatrickStarrr video. The last thing I have from the collection is the lipstick called Mama Starrr. Now, if you're wondering, I really didn't get any of the other products because they didn't really sing to me. I'm not usually a huge fan of MAC eyeshadows, which is really surprising because everyone on the planet and their mother loves MAC eyeshadows. They're just, you know, not my favorite things in the world, so I didn't really care to get any of the eyeshadow palettes. And then the other lip colors, I know that the really pink one I knew wasn't going to go with me, and I just got the Fenty uncensored, you know, Stunna lip paint, so I was like, I don't need another red, and I already have MAC's Ruby Woo, and I'm sure Patrick Woo was cute, but I just didn't get it because I didn't feel that I needed to get it. You know, I didn't have the coins, so I wasn't gonna, you know, get something I didn't need. So, but I am excited for Mama Starrr. Love this very sleek packaging. Looks like a cute little bullet. Super, super cute. Let's go ahead and get this. You know, looks like this. This is what it looks like. And let's just, you know, put a nice layer on our lips. This is actually really, really nice and soft on the lips. Sorry about the sniffles. I am like not sick, but I'm having allergies and stuff, and I went to the doctor with my grandma today, and it was really cold in their office, and now it has my nose just going. I don't know if this is supposed to be like one of the like satiny finish ones, but I absolutely love it. I think it looks so beautiful on the lips. Like, this is a winner. Let's just, you know, get our hair out, you know, see how we're gonna look with this. Yeah, this is a look. I'm feeling this. So let's wrap this video up. What are my final thoughts on the powder and the lipstick? Obviously, love the lipstick. I think that this is gorgeous. It's a beautiful shade. Like, if you're darker, if you're like my skin tone or darker, this is beautiful. I actually think this would go on any skin tone. It's so beautiful, which I do appreciate that about this collection. Patrick really tried to have something for everyone in this, because his whole thing for this collection was that what's it called, makeup is a one-size-fits-all, which is something that it should be, and I'm really glad that that's something that he's trying to, you know, advocate for. The powder I absolutely loved. I will have to wear this on a full day to see if it does hold back my oils, because I know Patrick is kind of oily in the center of his face, so hopefully he made something that will hold back oils. But other than that, I think that my face looks really gorgeous with this powder. Gives it a really nice smooth finish. I am high-key obsessed with this powder, and I'm really excited to see how it goes, how it tests throughout a day's work. I will update you guys on all of that in the description bar down below. Once I post this video, it would have been a couple of days, and I will be using this and letting y'all know what's going on with this, okay? So have no worries. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below. Let me know if you guys got anything from the PatrickStarrr collection, and I'll see you guys in my next video.